Hey, what up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today's video, I just want to do a quick video on another update of the Hubsan Zino 2 pre-orders. The last video I had told you that GearBest had told me that they were going to be shipping another batch out, and apparently that has been delayed as well. So the new date for them getting their restock, not shipment dates, but is March 3rd through 8th, somewhere in between there. So I foresee it being delayed again. This coronavirus thing is pretty serious. It's kind of hard to be upset when you know it's something like that, you know, so just trying to be patient. You know, as I said before, I only have one other GPS drone and it doesn't fly very well, so I'm real antsy to fly. So I have thought about canceling my order and just using that money to get something better, like a DJI drone or something, or maybe an Evo. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wait it out. I think it's gonna be worth it. You know, I've seen some of the videos with some of the issues that people have had so far with their Hubsan Zino 2s, but it looks like that firmware updates are starting to kind of figure those things out and straighten it all out. So I think I'm just gonna be patient, as hard as that may be for somebody like me. But while I got you here, I need two things. I need one, for you to slap like on the video, subscribe at the bottom and hit the bell. Number two, I got a little surprise for you. So I'm always coming up with some good deals on drones that I find around here. And this one is definitely one of those. So I want to show you what I picked up for $20 the other day at a local cash land. It's like a pawn loan place that I go and check to see what they have every once in a while. So let me just bring it up and show you. And we have a Tello, the Ryze Tello, or as some call it, the DJI Tello. I believe it's has parts inside of it that was made by DJI. And I've never personally flown a DJI, but from everything I've read and all the research about how amazing they are, this thing flies really well. I mean, look how stable it is. I'm outside, it's not a GPS drone. I don't like controlling it with the phone. It just doesn't feel right. So I went ahead and ordered a GAMESIR controller, an OTG cable, a case, some prop guards, some extra blades, extra battery, a charger for the battery. I'm the type of person that goes all out. When I get a drone, I want the whole bunch. I want the whole pack. I want everything you can get, or most of the stuff you can get for it. You know, you got to be prepared. You got to have extra batteries and stuff. So let me just bring it a little closer. Whoop. And it's kind of fast. If I was to, you know, push forward all the way, it's got a little speed to it, a little power. For being a brush motor drone, this thing is not bad at all. Let's go ahead and turn it around for you. Look how smooth that is. You know, when I first started seeing people, or seeing videos of this drone, people were talking about how fantastic it was and everything, and then I read about it and it says, you know, brushed motors, 100 meters if you're lucky, the video saves to your phone and it's laggy. I'm like, why does everybody recommend this drone for a first time, or a first drone for beginners? Well, now I see why, because it's incredibly stable, very, very stable. And I really think that if you get the controller for this, you would really enjoy it a lot more, having the joysticks. Oh, also I did order the Wi-Fi extender as well, so that should give me a little bit more range. So, I mean, for 20 bucks, look how smooth that thing is. I mean, I can't go very far out here. I'm in my front yard, but I just wanted to give you something else to look at instead of a boring old 30-second update video. So, hey, if you guys own a Tello, tell me what you think about it in the comments. Also, tell me what you think about the Hubsan Zino 2 delays. Are you canceling your order? Are you going to wait it out? What do you think of the review videos that have been up so far? Just tell me what you think. Put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, slap the like button and notification bell. I'm out.